The next question is from three-dimensional geometry. It is given that the distance of the point having position vector minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap, that is minus 1, 2 and 6, from the straight line passing through this point and parallel to this is what? Again a very easier one. So, let us see first what is actually the figure for this problem. You can notice this figure, what is given. It is given that this point is known to us. This point is basically minus 1, 2 and 6. So, this point is minus 1, 2 and 6, and this is a line which is passing through 2, 3 and minus 4. So, this is the point, and again it is parallel to this vector. So, definitely the direction ratios of this line are 6, 3 and minus 4. So, these are the DRs. So, we have to assume this point first in a single variable. The equation of this line is x minus 2 upon 6 y minus 3 upon 3 equal to z plus 4 upon minus 4. So, assuming lambda here, any point m on this line can be treated as 6 lambda plus 2 and 3 lambda plus 3 and minus 4 lambda minus 4. So, this is the point m for us. Now, let us see how to get this lambda first. Now, we know if you are dropping a perpendicular from this point to this line, then this angle is 90. That means the angle between this line and this line is 90. So, the product of direction ratios is equal to 0. So, the dr of this line are what? They are the position vector m minus this. So, the dr are 6 lambda plus 3 and again 3 lambda plus 3 minus 2. So, it is 3 lambda plus 1, and the third one is minus 4 lambda minus 10, and the dr of the line are 6, 3 and minus 4. So, we know that the dot product of these two is 0. So, 6 lambda plus 3 into 6 plus 3 into 3 lambda plus 1, and again minus 4 into minus 4 lambda minus 10 is equal to 0. So, if you calculate lambda from here, that will come out to be minus 1. So, if this is minus 1, we have this point m putting lambda equal to minus 1. This point m will be equal to minus 4, 0 and definitely again this will be 0. So, the distance between m point and the given point, that is this point, if you calculate, the distance will be easily calculated, and this distance d will come out to be 7. So, the correct option here is option number 1. So, this is where we are. This is the correct answer. A question from inverse trigonometric function. It is given that cos inverse x minus cos inverse y by 2 is equal to alpha, and we need to find out the relation between x, y and alpha is what. So, eliminating the inverse function here is important. So, a simpler result based question is here for us. So, this is cos inverse clubbing these two terms, x into y by 2 plus under root of 1 minus x square into under root of 1 minus y square by 4 is equal to alpha, and again taking cos from both the sides, we have xy by 2 plus under root of 1 minus x square, again 4 minus y square by 2 is equal to cos of alpha. So, we have taking under root on one side that is this term on one side, and on the other side we will be having 2 cos alpha minus xy. Now to get rid of this under root, we need to square it out here. So squaring here will give you it seems to be complicated, but it is actually not. If you solve this, if you square it out here, you can see this is 4 minus y square minus x square into 4 plus x square y square, and here we will have 4 cos square alpha minus 4 xy cos alpha plus x square y square. Now you can easily see this term is cancel out, and from here you can notice what we will get. We have 4x square taking on the right hand side plus y square and minus 4xy cos alpha is equal to 4 minus 4 cos square alpha, which is actually equal to 4 sin square alpha. So you can see which one is the correct option for us. It is the fourth one, which is the correct option. Moving to the last problem. So here is the last question, which is from the Boolean algebra, and it is given what we have to find out. The negation of this statement is equal to what? So let us see. First we need to simplify this. It is negation S or negation R and S. So we are going to distribute this R here. So OR is distributed in these two. So you know how to distribute it. Here we will have AND. So negation S or S. Now you know this is a tautology. This is always true. So we know we need not be carrying this term. So we have this term. So this is equal to negation S or negation R. Again, we can take if we can take this negation sign outside, we know this will be S and R. Now if we are going to see the negation of this, you can clearly see the negation of this will be the first option. So again a very easy question to crack. So this is all about the paper. I think you must be getting lot of marks on this. Wishing you all the best.